so much.
Kory's going to put together a printer. He doesn't know anything about 3D printers. Let's watch. Give it a go, man.
Ooh. All right, we got a big old box.
Oh, what's it say on the front?
We got Ender. This side is up. We have to handle it with care, and also it is afraid of wet.
So basically, everything you're going to need is... It's very simply laid out. It's
so much.
Here. Very simple.
Let's put that way.
Yep. So what's your strategy? You've built some IKEA things before. What do you typically do? Like, do you read through the instructions first kind of guy, or do you like...
You know, honestly, usually I just grab all my stuff, doohickeys, bits, doodads.
Yep.
And
Bits
I
and
kind of
bobs.
like arrange it.
Yep.
Because usually they got like little things, words on it. This one's 2020 profile cover. So if we're lucky, that's in the instructions somewhere.
Was this what you were expecting?
Honestly, I thought there'd be far less parts.
Sick.
Sweet little knobby thing.
I bought one of these printers secondhand from a guy. I thought he stole that knob or like threw it away or something. So I printed a different knob because that's what you can do with a 3D printer. And then if you look on the front over here, there's a little drawer. He had it in that drawer. It took me like 3 months. I didn't realize it. I was like, why would he throw away this knob? That's so weird.
So is this important? Because I was just thinking what they could have done to test your 3D printing skills.
Do you think it's like
print the knob?
Oh, yeah, that's not a bad idea.
It looks like the game
like you have to finish your printer. All right, well, let's do some things here. Very important. Oh.
Warranty. Yeah, right.
Look at that. Look at that halo-y thing.
So much. Got one. Okay.
We'll see how late we stay up here. We might do it in 2 sessions.
I did make sure I told the wife.
Good.
It's gonna be a late one.
Good. Just like maybe we both underestimated how late.
Okay, so there's a little nub. Picture that looks about right.
The wheels are turning. So these are like T-bar fasteners, I think. So when you were seeing T-bar on there, it was talking about those fasteners. Yeah, it catches it and turns it 90 degrees. So you don't even have to slide it because...
I could just like...
Yeah, it'll just fit in.
Oh.
See what I mean?
Ah.
But then as soon as you tighten it, it turns 90 degrees and it locks into that profile.
I'm just going to send it. I'm shoving this bad boy up in there.
Sick. Whoa.
This is going to be a thick boy.
I turned around for 1 second and you're putting a thing together, dude.
It says nothing about tipping it on the side, so we're going to see how it goes. Alright, so that's going to go... I see here we got these little hole boys here.
Very good, very
It's
good.
going to go on these little holes here.
Very good.
And really just going to send it.
So that guy is your
weird way.
Z lead screw. It's like your Z-axis stepper motor. So it's what makes your Z happen. So you got
it goes around.
You got your X axis, because X goes across. You got your
give it to you.
Y axis, because Y not go forward and backward. And then you got your Z axis.
This around, give you guys a better shot.
That's your Z-rod / lead screw.
Do we need the sheet?
Nope, don't need that. But just make sure the Z-rod does not get bent.
Alright, so you need super tiny. It's even bigger. Let's try to do this like we act like we know what we're doing. Whoop. So we just far too tiny. What? Go back. Yeah, that's what it's got to be. You know what? I bet. They give you little holes here. That's why those are there.
What little holes are you talking about?
All right. So take it. You got a little thing. It's got little nubs.
Okay, so that's like your, I guess that'd be like a sprocket. Or like a gear, your timing belt.
Yeah.
Pulley, as it
geared
were.
up for this.
So geared up, dude. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one right there.
The hub number. Ah, this is a tight block. Okay.
Yep, the long one on the bottom.
Then in real quick.
Yep.
Not so bad. So if we put this on here.
Yeah, so you don't have to like loosen that nut to do it.
Mm-hmm.
You're spinning this one. Oh, were you supposed to put that on before this piece, maybe?
You know, probably. It's a great question. Why is that there? I bet something goes on that.
Look at that. You like that?
Either way, you should tighten it or loosen it.
Yep. Because it's just like a smooth sleeve. It's not actually, yeah, there you go. It's not actually threaded in there. So you just loosened it up. So now you can check this other side here.
Ah, this looks good in there. Okay, cool.
Ah, it just came on, okay. And that is the piece that makes all of this possible. You thread your Z-rod into there, and then when that spins, it makes it do. And then that starts coming up. Oh, look at that.
Ooh.
Totally out of focus and everything. It's perfect.
It's the shot we needed.
There it is.
We're just gonna tease it.
Yeah. Now it's starting to look like a thing.
This little bracket here.
Mm-hmm.
So like we're just gonna.
Very good. Very good.
Two little slots. Two little nubs.
Yeah.
Do that good. There we go.
Nice, dude.
Parallel with these tubes.
Now, to lock all those guys in place.
Oh, I think this one. No.
Yeah, a little. There's the spin. You got that one too. Shaky and everything, but you got her.
Let's see, this one's, yeah, that's gonna be deep down in there. Should be good enough. No one will know if it does or not.
Yeah, that one doesn't matter at this point, really. Look at it.
Yeah.
All right, you have the printer now.
All right, we got
You
it.
got it? Okay.
All right, so on there is a little nub right at the top there.
Very good.
So let's find out anything about nubs. We got a little nub there.
Yeah. The other interesting thing about this guy is
Why?
I think this is a good stopping point, actually. For YouTube, it's going to be like a second, I guess. But for us, it's going to be a whole different day. We'll be wearing different clothes, likely. So this is where we got to on the first evening. That is how long it takes to
Half hours.
90% assemble one of these if you have zero background on what you're doing. Cool. Every one of these stepper motors is going to need power.
I mean, that makes sense.
Right, and then you've also got some switches. That's your Z limit switch, and you got one
I like little switches,
right
little
there.
clicky-doos.
Right at the end of each movement axis. We'll have a little switch. Don't they have little tags on them as well?
Do they? Oh. Oh, jeez.
That goes to that guy. Beautiful.
For power on, please check input voltage to avoid damage.
Miracle.
Yeah, it doesn't say anything about the plate. I feel like you should have it on there, otherwise it's gonna level.
You get in for the shot. You get the focus. Oh yeah.
Nice.
Look at that. Look at that. You like that?
Come on, you just gotta want it. Oh. That is still pretty satisfying. There we go.
Spectacular. So right now what you're doing is homing, so everything's finding 0.
Can't stop that.
So this is
Assuming I gotta move this bad boy
Yeah.
down, because
Yeah.
that is heebie-jeebies way too high.
It is heebie-jeebies. Yeah, so what's happening here, while Kory's doing that, is his end stop is as far down as the Z-axis can travel, because as soon as it hits that little switch there, it says, nope, that's the bottom. The idea is your Z end stop will put the extruder right at the build plate.
Send her home, baby. What do you got? Can you see?
Yeah, you like it.
That looks. You got need a tiny piece of paper.
So the nozzle is at 0, so we want the bed to be the same distance away from the nozzle over here as it is over there. We do that by spinning the little knobby on the other side up there, which moves the bed up or down. Alright, give us an update.
Alright, we spent 5 years leveling this bed. I got a mystery print on our SD card. We're gonna shove this bad boy in here and see what happens. So I'm seeing this nice little slot here. Again, I have not read instructions, so we're just gonna try to see it. This is right. Oh yeah.
There it is.
Just print. Oh, and we need stuff to print with.
You silly guy.
We like to have fun.
Alright. That's good, that's fine.
Yep. All right.
So normally you would never let go of this, because that'll get all coiled up and make problems for you. Good. Okay.
I guess this is where I do need to actually be able to see.
But sometimes you just gotta like, little little bit of that.
Oh yeah.
Now you can continue your work.
Huh?